I'm removing an old Moen shower handle and trim. I sprayed the set screw at the bottom of the handle first with some penetrating oil and let it set for 20 minutes. I taped a bag underneath to catch any dripping. The set screw size can vary. If you know your model, check the manual. For a Moen handle, a 7/64 hex is a common size. After removing the set screw, I used a rubber mallet to help loosen the handle. Remove the handle and all the parts behind it. This faucet has a temperature limit stop kit and a stop tube. Line up the parts in the order and orientation that they were removed if you're going to be reusing the parts. I'm going to be replacing these parts with a new handle and trim kit. Remove the screws that hold the escutcheon in place. I used pliers to turn the shower head counterclockwise to remove it because I'm replacing the shower head. Use an adjustable wrench with a smooth jaw or cover the jaws with tape to protect the finish if you plan on reusing the shower head. The shower arm can be removed with adjustable pliers if you're replacing it.